All right, good morning, everybody. Let's get ready here. Let's get started. What I'm doing now is I'm looking over, see if we have any early setups here. I don't see anything. I do see a buy on Bitcoin. Put that in there. Silver is getting into a potential buy right now. Setting up for a first trade short on the Euro US here in just a few minutes. Actually, just had a sell come in on the Euro US. 0905. It's sitting at 32. I'm going to take that on that Euro US. 109.05. Man, premium dried up pretty quick. You could also take the 109.01. You can take the 109.01. Premium's at 50. All right, still holding that 0905. Still very good premium, sitting at 30s. Coming back up again. Second opportunity to get in. First trade of the day. Let's take a look here real quick. Bitcoin. Okay, first profit target on Bitcoin is going to be 393.30. I'm sorry, 393.70. And if we need to reverse before hitting target, it's going to be 378.10. Once again, for those joining us on YouTube and Facebook, do not attempt to make these kind of trades. There's more information that you need to learn before you start trading. Also, there is a delay. They do have a delay on YouTube and Facebook, and so if you try to make these trades, you will be getting in late, and that is a losing proposition. So, also, do not ever trade any new strategy unless you can be successful in a simulated account. Always start off with a simulated account before you ever go live. You want to be profitable over at least a good several months before you even think about going live. Once again, make sure you understand and agree to our disclaimer. This live stream is for informational and demonstrational purposes only. So this morning we're looking at trading the indices, and I'll give you those symbols so you understand them. We're looking to trade the ES, which is a US 500. or the small S&P. We do have RTY, US Small Cap, YM, Wall Street, and NQ, which is US Tech. And of course, we have GC for gold, SI for silver, CL for crude, NG for natural gas, and of course, BTC for Bitcoin. All right, that first trade of the day was a profitable trade. Whether you took the 05 like I did or you took the 01, it's still closed at, well, actually the 05 did win. The 02, the 01 would not if you taken that lower one. But the 05 was a win, so that was a profitable trade on that. We are getting closer to a buy on the silver. I'm keeping an eye on that. All right, so far it's been pretty quiet. Pretty quiet. Waiting for that first setup. All right, I'm getting a short on the crude oil. Short on the crude oil with a target of 116.25, 116.25. If we need to reverse, it's going to reverse at 117.45. 117.45. Short on crude with a target of 116.25. All right, still nothing on silver, nothing on gold, nothing on any of the indices. Bitcoin is still long. Good morning, everybody. Profit target hit. All right, we just hit profit target on crude. As we get closer here to 8:30, things are going to start picking up on these indices. All right, pretty quiet so far this morning. The only trades we had is we had a first trade on the core strategy on the Euro US. That was a short. That was profitable, and we did have a projection on the crude for a short that already hit its profit target. And Bitcoin is still long right now. It's slowly approaching target. All right, now getting a short on the gold. We're getting a short on the gold. Target on gold is going to bring us down to 1966. 1966. And if we need to reverse, we're going to be reversing at 1984. 1984. All right, so right now, open positions, short gold, long Bitcoin. Still have about less than 7 minutes to go before the Dow opens. All right, so those that are listening on YouTube and Facebook, if you're not familiar with my strategies, we are trading the currencies here. We're using the core strategy. These setups are taught in the core class. And then for my price projections, this is offered as just an additional service for my live chat members in our live chatting room. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about my strategy, there is a video on my YouTube channel, binaryprostrategies.com, called Predicting Price Levels with the Einstein Formula. And these price levels are provided just as a additional service for our existing subscribers. It is not something that I teach. Okay, crude oil is getting a quick little buy here. Now keep in mind, crude is a pretty wild animal, so be careful on the crude oil. All right, crude's target on this buy is going to be 117.05, 117.05. That's going to be the profit target. And if we need to reverse, we're going to reverse down at 115.85, 115.85. Crude already approaching target. 117.05 is that target on that crude oil. Still short gold, still long Bitcoin. Possible short coming up on the US yen, possible buy coming up on the Euro US for our core strategy. Once again, if you're not familiar with the symbols, we have ES for US 500, RTY, which is going to be our US small cap, YM Wall Street 30, and NQ US Tech, and of course we have our gold, our silver, our crude oil, natural gas, and of course Bitcoin. Could end up getting a short out the gate here on these indices. Going to open here in about 30 seconds. Once again, do not try to trade all of these at once. Pick the commodity or indice that you like and stick with just one. It is not recommended you trade more than just one. Dow just opened up. Dow's down 115. 127. Keep an eye on YM. YM is getting close to going short. Euro US is in a buy right now, and US yen is in a looking for a short right now for core. When I say core, I'm talking about like core package, the setups we teach in the core package. All right, still short gold, long crude, long Bitcoin. Have not hit targets yet. Okay, YM just went short on YM. Profit target hit. Profit target hit on crude oil, short YM. Target on YM is going to bring us down to 333.63, 333.63. Profit target hit. Profit target hit on YM, out of YM. Out of crude, profit hit on crude, profit hit on YM. Going short the ES, going short the ES. Target on ES is going to bring us down to 43.03 and a half, 43.03 and a half. Okay, still short ES, 43.03 and a half is what we're looking for. If we need to reverse, I'm going to reverse at 43.22.25, 43.22.25. Profit target hit. Profit target already hit on ES. So right now the only thing we have on is we are still short the gold, long Bitcoin. Short gold, long Bitcoin. Have another buy on the Euro US for the core. Euro US. Once again, do not attempt these strategies unless you understand how the core setups work. We do get into more details on which ones to take, which ones not to take, how to place your trades, how to exit. Do not blindly follow this or any strategy You must first understand the strategy and then practice, practice, practice before you ever think about using real money. All right, so I'm just waiting. Still short gold. All right, keeping an eye on RTY, see if we can get a potential short off of this RTY. Not yet. Once again, if you're not familiar with our symbols, RTY is going to be US small cap. Look up here in this top right hand corner. ES is the US 500. YM, Wall Street 30, and NQ is going to be the US Tech. And of course, we have gold, silver, crude, natural gas, and Bitcoin. All right, once again, we will continue this live broadcast for another 20 minutes. 20 minutes. And then we will continue on with our members. Okay, crude just got a short. Crude just got a short. Once again, be careful with crude. Crude can be wild. Projected low on the crude is going to bring us down to 116.65, 116.65. And crude, if it doesn't hit target, it's going to reverse 117.85. Still short gold, watching RTY for a possible short. Bitcoin still long. Crude short. Okay, just one short RTY. RTY is now short. Short RTY, profit target RTY is going to bring us down to 1994. And if we don't hit target, we will reverse at 2009.
Reverse buy.
Gold just reversed, went long, no longer short. Gold reversed and went long. Profit target on that long gold is going to bring us up to 1990. And if we need to reverse, we're going to reverse at 1972.
Profit target hit.
Profit target hit on RTY. Target hit on RTY. Core buy on US yen. US yen. Core buy. Still short crude. Now we're long gold. Reversed on gold, went long. Targets all hit on YM, RTY, ES. Now short on US Tech. US Tech is taking a short. Profit target on the US Tech is going to be US Tech target is going to be 137.32 and a half. 137.32 and a half. Profit target hit on crude oil. Profit target hit on crude oil. Short US Tech with a target of 137.32 and a half, approaching target.
Profit target hit.
Profit target hit on US Tech. That was fast. Couldn't even get the reversal in on that one. All right, still long gold. long Bitcoin. Have a core trade on the US yen for a buy. It's been a really good morning. Good morning so far. $19.90 is that target on the gold, getting close to hitting target. We're sitting at 89. Silver getting close for a buy as well. Silver just went into a buy, so buying on the silver. Target on silver is going to bring us up to, let's see here, 25.91, 25.91. And if we don't hit target, we will reverse at, let's see here, 25.53, 25.53 and a half, 25.53 and a half. Okay, so we're long silver, long gold, still long Bitcoin, out on crude, out on all the indices. Once again, make sure you understand and agree to our disclaimer. If you want to continue watching this video, remember this is for informational, educational purposes only. The purpose here is just to demonstrate our strategy. It is unique. Nobody trades like this. Everything that you're seeing here was developed over 30 years ago. We don't use indicators. We don't use your typical chart patterns or candlestick patterns. Has nothing to do with Fibonacci ratios. This is a totally unique way of trading, only found here. All right. Gold's trying to get up to that 90, sitting at 87, 1987. Got up to 89, almost hit 90. I think we're going to hit it. Still long silver now. Bitcoin's still long. Bitcoin's been long for a while. Got 9 minutes to go with the live broadcast. Once again, for more information, go to binaryprostrategies.com. That's my website, or you can always go to YouTube. There's plenty of educational videos out there that you can watch, give you a little bit better idea on my strategies and the way I look at the markets. Also, don't forget, if you haven't watched the webinar, there is a link on my website. You can go ahead and watch that free webinar. And I go into a little bit more about the core strategy. All right, I'm just hanging tight here, waiting for our next setup. All right, any of my students want to go ahead and chat me? Let me know if you're green or red. If you're green, let me know how much green you are. So far this morning. All right, still long gold, still long silver, still long Bitcoin. Students, let me know how you're doing. Show me some numbers. I know you guys are doing well. Still long gold, still long silver, still long Bitcoin. There's a nice little trade on that core US yen. Euro US is in a short core. Core strategy has a short on the Euro US. RTY just went long RTY. Target on RTY is going to bring us up to 2004. And if we don't hit target, we will reverse at 1989. Okay, long crude. I'm sorry, not long crude. Long gold, long silver, long RTY. Still long Bitcoin. Core trade going on short on the Euro US. RTY getting close to hitting target. That short on that Euro US is looking good. Good, Owens. You've hit green on CL, RTY, Euro US. Nice. Red on silver. Okay, well, you want to stick with silver. Silver is still in a long position. Silver has not reversed yet. That is still in a long position. All right, so we have a little bit more than a minute to go on the live broadcast. We will be wrapping this up at 10 a.m. Eastern. Once again, for more information, go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, or go visit us on YouTube, binaryprostrategies.com. Plenty of educational material out there, and you can also watch the prior live broadcasts if you'd like to do that as well. For my students, just stay on, do not go away. We will go ahead and switch some charts over here for you, and we'll continue on. I'm now green on the silver, now green on the silver. Down on RTY, still long on RTY. All right, folks, that's going to be it for the live broadcast. We're coming up on here at 10 a.m. Eastern. Everybody have a great trading day. If you have any questions, you can always shoot me an email. Just go to contact on binaryprostrategies.com. Always be glad to answer any emails any questions you have. And until tomorrow, everybody have a good trading day, and we'll see you then.